This is the Travelese Memory Foam Orthopedic Cushion. This was sent to me so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. Comes in this box, folded in half. But that's okay because it's memory foam. Let me show you what you get. I'm sitting on it now. Comes with an owner's manual and some tips for maintenance because this zipper velour cover is machine washable. Unzip this guy and throw it in with your laundry. It is 100% memory foam, and it's not just the foam itself. It's got like a cover over the foam too, which is cool. I like that. Obviously, this is in black. It has silicone beads on the bottom to keep it from sliding, which I think is pretty cool. 18 inches by 16 inches. So you press it in, and it comes back to life. Obviously, memory foam is going to work better in room temperature. It's going to be a little softer when it's super hot out, and a little stiffer when it's cold. According to the literature, this thing is great for your posture. It has a butterfly shaped cutout for support right here, which should be good for your lower back, tailbone, coccyx, and all that. This is great for any chair. The living room, take in the dining room when you're eating. Kitchen chairs, those hard kitchen chairs. Great for wheelchairs, great for sporting events. Take it to a football game because it's football season. It's portable, you take it anywhere. It's got a little handle on it so you can carry it. It's great for the office, great for the car on long driving trips. You know, just create extra padding when you're flying. Those airplane seats aren't always the most comfortable things in the world. There it is on my chair right there. Sits in there perfect. That's where it's going to stay. So if you're looking for a comfortable orthopedic memory foam pillow, one that is portable, you can take with you anywhere with a machine washable cover on it, check out this one by Travelese. Check it out.